I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today I've got my little helper Carolyn going to help out. The other day we found a rock on the ground that someone had painted and placed there for us to find, and she thought, let's do that too, Grandpa. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start our own Facebook page called Locate Squishy Rocks, and we're going to paint up our own rocks and deliver them all over town and have some fun. Let's get started. Okay, here's all of our rocks after we painted them. We used a primer and sealer. Should have used spray paint primer, but I don't have any, so we just use this regular brush on stuff. And now I'm going to draw the design down with the pencil, and me and my assistant will use our paints to paint them. Let's get started. Okay, I've drawn one thing on here. We've decided this is going to be a slice of watermelon, so we've drawn a little semicircle there. That'll be the rind. The top of this part will be the meat. And this is going to be a smiley face, so I didn't really worry about it. We're just going to paint this whole thing yellow, and then use the black to make the eyes and the smiley part. And for the watermelon, we've got green, pink, and black. Ooh, and let's throw some white in there too. Why not? If I can find it. Okay, we got the 2 coats of yellow on the smiley face, 2 coats of green for the rind on the watermelon. Now we got to do the pink part. So we'll get our pink paint, and I'm going to start doing the smiley face with the black. Okay, here we are. We've got the finished version of the smiley face and our watermelon slice. We still need to put the name on the back here on each one of these, but I think it's a good start. We've got several more rocks over here we're getting ready to do. A couple strawberries, a kitty cat face, and a bumblebee. So we'll get these finished up and we'll be having some fun. Thanks for watching.